Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Second unboxing after the Perth show. Forgot to mention a few things. So the 20 hopefully will be fixed. I apologise for the complete disaster of a running session yesterday. No clue what happened with it. I've been trialling out the second train, making sure it's okay. It seems to be fine. It actually seems to be good to go. A couple of things I forgot to mention. I apologise I didn't get any videos from the Perth show. I couldn't find anything to film. There was obviously a lot of layouts, but everyone was crowded. So I did obviously put a post out saying I was going to unbox the second train and see if anyone could get it from the hints. I only got one guess. Obviously the hint was an electric train. The one guess I got was from the Midland Pullman, so shout out to him. He guessed the Class 92, so he's going to find out if he's right or not. It's another Lima model. It's only £5 cheaper than the 20. I saw it and it's been a train I've been looking for a while. I do quite like these, and I've been testing it, making sure it works, and it does seem to be fine. I apologise if I get the livery wrong because I'm quite unfamiliar with it. I believe it's British Rail Grey or GB Rail Freight Grey or something like that. But right, let's go. I was right. Midland Pullman, you were right. It is a Class 92, number 003. I do love the 92s. Now I can kind of complete the set with the 90, the 91 and the 92. There's two pantographs, which I think is quite interesting. As you can see, the box is like worse than the 20s box because it's completely like the entire wrapper is coming off, like the front little plastic window. No clue why that is, but we move. The train had problems yesterday where for some reason at some certain corners it would like lose power, stop, and then I'd have to give it a push and then it would do the same thing. But I've been running it today. I actually had it running with the 20 to see if I could do something with that, and the 20 it worked, and then I took the 20 off, burned the 92 and it's on with some carriages and it seems to be fine. So let's have a look at it outside the box. Please comment below while I'm doing this if you do like the unboxing videos and if you'd like more content like this, because as I said, my birthday's coming up, so I'll probably be doing another unboxing video if I get anything from that. Models. As you can see, it's got incredible detail, like the iconic number, only the 3 numbers on the back, on the front, so 003, no actual 92. Then you got the perfect livery. This is Beethoven, one of the greatest composers ever. Lovely detail there. Yep, 2 pantographs. I will stick them up because why not? So there you go, and there you go. They're a bit hard to click down. You have to get them into this little slot. There's one down, and down. There you go. There's nothing, no real wear and tear to be honest on it, which shows it's an absolute bargain, a great deal for £35. It's got both couplings. It has I think, correct me if I'm wrong, this is the British Rail steel livery, or Great British Rail Freight steel livery. I have no clue. I'm trying to do some research before the video, but oh well. It's a really good model. I mean, obviously these offer the Caledonian Sleeper, and I was considering getting it, but I don't really have any, obviously I don't have any sleeper coaches, so I thought it would be better if I just got like a freight looking livery so I can operate it with some freight wagons, maybe do like a few passenger rail tours. I do absolutely love the 92. I think it looks amazing. It's so like it looks ideal. Like it looks like the brother or sister of the 91 and the 90, and it's just really pretty model. The detail, like the grey, the yellow, the black, the blue, all contrast together perfectly, and if it's a good model then it's an absolute perfect addition to the fleet. and it could mean I can do other like trains in this livery, such as the class 60, which is a train I've been keeping an eye out for because I do love the 60. I keep seeing them in EWS livery, but I don't really want to get one of them because I don't like the EWS livery on that train, just because it annoys me when they have like EW and S, because I feel like it's just EWS, you don't need the and. But anyway, I think it's a perfect model and I've got a really good deal. It'll probably go in as one of my favourite models I own, along with the class 153, the class 158 and the class 66, because they are all really good. And if it runs perfectly, then I've got a great deal and a great train. So now, without further ado, I'm going to take it to the layout. Going to give it a run as a light local, praying nothing goes wrong. And let's have a look. Right, see you on the other side. Here we are at the track, and I've got the 92 running. There seems to be a problem with the outside track because it just derailed now, but it's still running better than the 20 was yesterday, although that was actually really smooth like loco. It's a smooth runner, sounds a bit like my 50, similar, like the acceleration. I think it's a perfect addition because, as I said yesterday, it gives me variety. I can do freight services, passenger services. So, as you can see, my 20 sat over there, injured in the sidings. I'll go a bit closer in a minute to get you a nice angle of them passing. But I reckon I could run one of my other trains alongside the 92, maybe just give it a bit of variety. I might run a 91 along next to it just for a bit at the end. Because you know, they probably run together on the East Coast main line maybe. Here we have an angle right next to the bridge. The 92 powering along. Absolute lovely loco. It's such a nice train. I've never seen one before. I'd love to see one of them. I mean, I saw one once in the Edinburgh when I was into Liverpool, but unfortunately couldn't film it in time. That was a shame. But the only livery I've ever seen for the 92 is GBRF and Caledonian Sleeper. I've never really seen Great British Rail, or this grey livery, whatever it is, operate before. But either way, really, really good addition to the fleet. It's just such an iconic loco that it's like been operating for the Sleeper in England all the time, before it's taken over by the 73 and most of the time the 66. Comment below what you think about the 92s, because it might be one of the hated trains, a bit like the Voyagers, but I really like it. Give you the shot nearby the crossing. I tried to get some barriers on the crossing, but unfortunately for some reason they're not sticking. I don't know what's wrong with that. I don't know why they fell off in the first place, but one disappointment of the 92 is the fact I thought it might have had working lights, but I guess not. But it doesn't matter because it's still a very pretty loco. I also just want to give a quick thanks to Epic Steve, my good friend, for giving me that brilliant comment of calling me professional sounding. I didn't think I would, and I was kind of nervous recording my first video. It's like my voice reveal, but that was a confidence booster from such a great YouTuber, so thank you for that. And yeah, as I said, I met Trainfc for the first time yesterday, so shout out to him too. Lovely to meet you, and Trains and other stuff as well. They're both brilliant YouTubers, so subscribe to their channel. I'll link them in the description of this video. So I thought I'd quickly recreate something. Shout out to Scania Ridge Rider, this is for you. I got the 66 Dragon in 92 because I've seen you film it many times. Brilliant YouTuber, DJ Scania Ridge Rider. Go subscribe to him, or Rig Rider, sorry, my bad. Yeah, I've seen him see 66's Dragon many times, so this is just for you. Thought I'd quickly do it. I was looking for some freight on, and then I saw that I could do that, and I thought it'd be perfect just as a shout out to him. I know he loves seeing those, he always gets excited when he sees a 92, so I'll link him in the description too. So now we have it showing off its mighty strength by pulling a 7-car passenger train. I've never really ran this many, and this just shows that this 92 is powerful and confident. I have also realised I'm running it without the pantographs down, so I'll put them up on the next video, next clip. But it does show it is a beastly train, and that 20 is either too weak or it's just old. but it's showing the old kid how to do it. So satisfying to see those coaches go around that bend as well. Never really ran this many before, but I thought why not try it out on this video. Now we've got an angle at the station like I did yesterday on the 20 video. Looking nice as always. 92, powering through. The attention to detail on this train is magnificent, and for a £35 deal, I would say that that's a bargain. That I managed to get a detailed train, a train I love, all for £35 at a model show. It's fantastic, it's phenomenal. And shout out to the company that supplied me with the junction box, that's where I bought it. They are brilliant, so thank you to them for selling it to me. Now, here next to the 20 in the town again, watching the train pull a heavier train than it did yesterday. But I think that watching those coaches go around the bend and off into the distance is one of the most satisfying things to watch. And especially with a nice train pulling it. I mean, I think these are retired now by this livery. I mean, you can see them still operate, but it's still very pretty to see. Such a scenic train pulling such a scenic passenger route. Thank you to all of you also for your suggestions on doing this, because I mean, I asked the poll and I didn't know if anyone would say yes. But it's always great to get some advice, and you guys are all brilliant. You guys have supported me through a lot of it. I didn't think we'd get from like no subscribers, so maybe 3 in the first day, to this many, 625 already in not even a year. Is incredible. So shout out to everyone who supported the channel and been there for this entire time. You guys are amazing and you all deserve big credit. Thank you. So I've had to run the 92, the freight a little bit slower. I have put a lot of trust in it and put quite a few freight wagons on, because after seeing it handle that passenger train with 7 carriages, I think why not? I did have a couple of derailments, I don't know what happened, but so I haven't put the platform in properly again, so I'll put that back now. Train spotters who died to see one of these going nice freight train. So I started freight train, random funny though, call with Kellogg's. This will just be it. I don't think I'll run any other trains with it, because you'll probably want to just see the V2 running on its own. So I'll get a few angles of the freight and then call it a day. But I do love making these unboxing videos, and hopefully next week I'll be making one for my birthday. So get a crossing angle. I said point it, I don't know why I got that from, but good crossing angle. I do love my cars as well. I want to get some more cars onto the layout. I've not got many actual cars. I've got a couple of vans and one proper car, and then I've got a truck and a bus. But right, this will be the last clip, guys, last angle of the train just bending around the corner with all that freight. I saw some of those Freightliner wagons yesterday, but decided not to get any. And I think getting this 92 and the 20 were the right decision. I think I'm going to try and collect some more of those EWS wagons, because I think they are really nice to have. I think more of those same freight wagons make it so ultra realistic. I had some of those little red, blue and green wagons, stone pot racing, but they don't really work very well because they keep derailing the train. So I'm going to try and not use them. I might try and sell those. But overall, I think the purchase of 92003, my new Class 92, was an absolute steal, great purchase. If it runs well and stays like this, then I have gotten a bargain. 20, if I can repair it, I'll post some more shorts of it. I might make a few shorts of the 92 and 91 and all that tomorrow, because I don't feel like I do my model really way enough, and I apologise for that. But sometimes now I've got the shelves. I felt like the problem was I wanted to record realistic shots, and having the trains in view on the middle of it did not help. But now I've got the shelves and I've put them on, it's brilliant. But 92 just going around doing its thing, just day job it. But thanks for watching. I really appreciate you all for subscribing, liking, viewing, and yep, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Bye.